Good morning students. Have a nice day. In this video we are going to learn about how things move. Move means motion, yakam. How things move when we kick a ball, it moves. Likewise, when we push the book on the table, it moves. When a bullock pulls the cart, it moves. So, when we apply push or pull force on any object, it moves. Okay. When we what is mean by force? Forces are push or pull by an animate or inanimate agency. When we apply force in an object, it moves. Force means push or pull by an animate or inanimate agency. Animate agency. What is meant by animate agency? If the force is given by a person or animal, it is known as animate agency. Okay. Or person or animal. Animate agency na person or animal. For example, na kuduthukanga diagram. In our daily life, we pull out of water from well, and animals pull the bullock cart. So, these are the example for animate agency. Animate agency means force is given by person or animal. Then inanimate agency. Inanimate agency means if the force is given by wind or gravitational force and force due to magnet and water, and these are the example for inanimate agency. Some examples are given. Sometimes we see tall grass in the meadow dancing in the wind. Okay, dancing of grass due to wind. காத்துல பெரிய நீளமான புட்கள் அசையும் இல்லையா? Or a piece of wood moving down a stream. Okay, what pushes or pulls them? In this case, a piece of wood moving down a stream. Which one pushes the wood in the stream? The water pushes. Here water is the inanimate agency. Okay. Then the next one, contact force and non-contact force. What is in the contact, non-contact? If the force is executed by touching the body. Okay, if the force applied by touching the body means contact force, and the force is applied without touching the object is known as non-contact force. Okay, and the object touch பண்ணி நம்ம force apply பண்ணோம்னா contact, without touching means non-contact force. இங்க பாருங்க ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Here one coconut falling down from the tree. This one is the contact force or non-contact force? Without touching. Okay, so this one is the non-contact force. So falling down of coconut is a non-contact force. And here a batsman hit the ball. Here which force acts? Contact force or non-contact force? Contact force. Okay, the bat வந்து ball touch ஆகுது. Okay, so there are two types of forces, contact force and non-contact force. Force is given by two types of agency, animate and inanimate. Here some examples are given. Wind making a flag flutter. அதாவது காத்துல கொடி அசையுது இல்லையா, அது வந்து கான்டாக்ட் ஃபோர்ஸா நான் கான்டாக்ட் ஃபோர்ஸா? Contact force, because wind touches the flag. Likewise, a bullock pulling a cart, this one is contact force. Then magnetism, gravity are some example of non-contact force. Okay, then the next one, force. Force is given by two agencies, animate factors, inanimate factors. there are two types of force: contact force, non-contact force. Then what happens when we apply a force on an object? Force apply ஆகும்போது என்ன நடக்கும்? What happens when a batsman hits a ball? The ball is already in motion, but with the strike, the speed of the ball increases. Moreover, the direction of the ball changes. Application of force on an object results in change in speed and change in direction. It can change the speed and direction. Here, when we crush the balloon or press the rotary, it changes the shape. It changes the shape of an object. When we apply force, application of force in an object results in motion from state of rest, and we can bring rest to motion also. Then the next one, forces can change the states of a body from rest to motion or motion to rest. Then either change the speed of the direction or both of the body. Speed or direction, it can change speed or direction, or sometimes both of the body. Then change the shape of the body. One activity is given. Force can, first one given, move object at rest. Then tell anyone, change a body from motion to rest. Then change the speed, change the direction, change the shape. Force can compress or expand. Then force is divided by two: contact force, non-contact force. Examples: kick a football, contact force; bullock pulls the cart, contact force. Here, magnet attracts nail, non-contact force. Falling off coconut from tree is a example of non-contact force. That's all, students. Thank you.